Hey there, grade 8. Welcome to lesson 10 of chapter 5. This is actually our last lesson of this chapter. And here we are talking about comparing rates. So I know last time I said that rates are always compared so that we have a single unit. But in this time, we're talking about situations where that's not always the case. So let's look at something like a real life example. So let's say you're going to the grocery store and you see different sizes of milk. Okay. So you have a milk that's 250 milliliters that costs $1.49, 500 milliliters that costs $1.69, 1 liter for $2.79, or 2 liters for $3.99. So my first question to you is, which one's the best deal? Which one is worth buying to basically get the most amount of milk for the least amount of money? Okay, so feel free to pause the video, try this out, and then I'll go over the answer. All right, so probably the easiest thing for me to do is try to figure out what the cost is for 1 liter of all of them, okay, of all of them. So what do I have to do to 250 milliliters to get it to 1 liter? I have to multiply it by 4. So I need to take this price, so 1.49, and times it by 4, okay? So when I do that, I end up getting $5.96, okay? So $5.96, that's already not as good as my regular carton of 1 liter. Okay, this one I need to double. So I've got $1.69, and I need to multiply it by 2. So when I do that, I end up getting $3.39. Sorry, $3.38, okay? Which still isn't as good of a deal as the 1 liter. So far, I'm guessing, but it's better than my first one, okay? This one, I'm just going to leave it at $2.79 because we already have it for 1 liter. This one, I have $3.99 for 2 liters. So I have to take my $3.99 and I need to divide it by 2 because I have 2 liters and I'm trying to figure out the cost for 1 liter. Okay, so $3.99 divided by 2 gives me $1.99 or $2. Okay, so this one per liter is actually my best deal. So we can actually see that as we purchase more milk in a carton, we actually save more money. Okay, so that's the first example. Okay, I've got another example where you might be shopping. Okay, say you're buying some garbage bags. Okay, you've got 2 choices. You can buy 12 bags for $1.99, or you can buy 48 bags for $5.29. So the trick with these is you want to compare them for the same amount. Okay? Is there a way that I can take 12 bags and turn it into 48? Or is there a way that I can take 48 and turn it into 12? Well, yes, there is. Okay? I can take this one and I can multiply it by 4, or I can take this one and I can divide it by 4. So depending if I want to compare it for 12 bags or if I want to compare it for 48. I like multiplication better, so I'm going to take this one and I'm going to see how much it would cost for me to buy 48 bags, which means I have to multiply my $1.99 times 4. Okay, so when I do that, I end up getting, $3. I end up getting $7.96 when I'm calculating it for 48 bags. So for me to purchase 48 bags by buying them 12 at a time is going to cost me almost $2.50 more than it would if I just bought the 24 bags right away. Okay, so there's many reasons why this might happen in real life. For some of it, it just comes down to packaging. So instead of them having to pay to purchase or to produce more and more boxes, it's actually easier and faster for them to just put more bags inside of one packaging. Okay, so here's a couple more examples. Let's say you're purchasing some paper towel. There's 3 options. Okay, so we have option A, B, and C. So option A has 2 rolls of paper towel inside of the packaging, and it's 99 cents. Option B has 6 rolls, and it's $3.99. And option C has 12 rolls, and it's $4.99. Okay, which package is the best buy? Okay, so try it out. and we'll compare once you hit play again. So I'm going to try to figure out what the cost is for 12 rolls. For me, it's just easier to try to find out the value of the highest amount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this by 6. Okay? If I multiply 0.99 times 6, I end up with $5.94. Okay? $5.94. So far, my 12 rolls is a better deal. Okay? What if I take this one? I have to double it. Okay? So I multiply this by 2. Okay? I end up getting $7.98. Okay? Which is actually a worse deal than if I was to buy 2, but it's not as good of a deal if I just buy 12 right away. Okay? And then I don't have to do anything with the 12 because it's already in that situation. So that's basically it. That's all I need to try to figure out is that my C actually is the better deal. All right, last one, and then you guys can practice on your own with your homework. All right, so let's say that someone is looking for a summer job, and they have 3 offers. The first one offers to pay them $7.50 an hour. The second one is offering to pay them $25 for every 3 hours. And then the last one is $44 for every 5 hours. Now, I know that I said I like to go up to the highest one. However, this one's a little bit trickier because I can't multiply 3 to get to 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to calculate how much they're making per hour. Okay, how much they're making per hour. So I don't have to do anything with this one. I know with their first job, they're going to make $7.50 per hour. Okay, so that one's done. This one, I actually have to divide it by 3. Okay, so I take 25, divide it by 3, which in this case is going to give me $8.33. So that's how much they're making per hour. So far, this one is a better deal. Okay, or a better job. Okay, now I've got $44 every 5 hours. So I need to take my 44 divided by 5. Okay, because that'll give it to me for every hour. Okay, this is going to give me $8.80 per hour. So the job that she actually gets paid the most at is this one right here. Okay, where they're making $44 every 5 hours. Okay, so in that situation, she will actually make the most. Right? All right. That's it for today. If you guys have any questions, once again, make sure you come and bring those questions to the Zoom conversations or the Zoom meetings, and contact me on Hangout if you needed some extra help. All right, good luck.